Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is what is the biggest mistake that vendors who are individuals make on the IRS W-9? All right. So what I think is that they put the name of their company on line one instead of their legal name. And this is for two reasons. One, they don't really read the IRS instructions that tells them that if they are an individual sole proprietor or single member LLC, that they are supposed to put their first and last name on line one. And two, because they don't really understand what a disregarded entity is, what that really means on line two, they think that they need to put the name that their invoices are being submitted in on line one. So if you have had different experiences and you think there is a different reason that you have to send many of these W-9s back to individuals that or vendors that are individuals in this first tax class, I'd love to hear about it. Go ahead and throw it in the comments. But no doubt you have been part of that back and forth trying to get that W-9 completed correctly to the point where you finally get the right one and you feel like you won that golden ticket to Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. Now, if you'd like some training, what I call essentials training for the vendor team, really need to know how to determine whether or not that IRS W-9 is submitted correctly, when you need to send it back to your vendor to correct and then send back to you. So I go through IRS W-9 examples by tax classification, and I do that once a month on the third Wednesday of every month. So if you are interested in that, I will put a link to this training session in the description. All right, so if you like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at deborarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and bad vendor data. And if you'd like some training for yourself or your other vendor team members, please go to my website at training.deborarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.